Start by building your tent with the body and main poles. Toss your rainfly over the tent as if you were installing it, but only fasten the gray buckles at the foot of the tent. Now you'll need your cross pole. Lay the rainfly on the ground at the foot of the tent. The buckles will prevent it from blowing away and will help with install on the next step. Latch the cross pole to either side of the ball and socket joints, then attach the other. Now that both are attached, slide the latched cross pole into the rainfly pocket. Resist the temptation to connect to the main poles. Now this is the trick. Keep a finger looped on the rainfly pocket, and with your other hand, grab under the cross pole and push up to shrink the width of the tent by flexing the pole up. Now you can latch both sides into the four-way hubs. Make sure they're set properly. Attach the middle clip, and then finish the tent pitch as normal.